Hi, my name is Changpeng Liu and welcome to the SOLIDWORKS Simulation Tech Tip of Solid Experts. Have you ever asked yourself how you can change the meshing parameters on a structure containing beam elements to get a more refined mesh? Here's how. First, it is normal that when you create a mesh on a beam-only structure, you're not asked to enter any parameter. So you must use mesh controls to change the size of the beam elements. Simply choose the beam option if there are other element types in the analysis, and then choose the size or the number of elements on the beams you would like to refine. Create the mesh again, and it's done. This ends the SOLIDWORKS Simulation Tech Tip of Solid Experts. Thank you and see you next time.